Okay, this video is intended to show you how to do something pretty simple but a little bit more fun than some of the projects we were doing earlier. So we'll call this fun with lines. Okay, so remember, if we want to see this image sort of flat and easier, we go over here to the front of the cube and click on it, and there it looks more like a piece of paper to draw on. Don't forget that we're always going to say sketch. We have to tell it where to sketch. We're going to click here, and you've probably used the rectangles and circles, but I want to show just using lines. So you could just draw whatever you want. So let's just use the line and make something. So I go here, 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 here. Fine, we made a shape. Now this is very important. The shape must be contained, self-contained. In other words, it has to go all the way around in order to extrude it. Now we're just going to go ahead and use the extrude tool. And right now it's set at 1 inch. Let's make it 0.5 inches. And let's accept that. And look what we made. Great. For now, that's the end of this episode. That's it. You can use those line tools to make creative shapes.